This is my world record attempt for the first dog to burp. Watch and learn, sisters. How was that? Let me try again. First, a drink. Ready? Go. How was that?